Hi guys, today I will show you how to create 3D PDF and work with 3D PDFs which you created in Control X. For example, I will use that model. I will show you how make prepare reports in Control X, very simple preparation, overview, and how to create PDF reports with 3D PDF inside. Okay, we do not need Geomagic Design X anymore. If you have Design X model, you can drag and drop to Control X, but if you have higher version of Design X, you cannot be able to open full model in lower version or earlier version of Control X. I have 2015 and I have, I think, 2018 of Control X, and I was able, as you see, I was able to open that model. And measure it, maybe I should make some decimation. No, it's fine, maybe 50%. I will make 50% decimation. That will reduce quality a little bit, but that will not be effect on reports critically. Right, decimation is finished. And next, go Home, tab, and press 3D Compare. In menu, in Preferences, you can use different units for importing data and using units using in reports. Right, 3D Compare, maximal deviation auto, just press calculate maximal deviation. I think I made this model perfectly, and that's, you see where high deviation, because casting is not perfect shapes. Okay, I will use 2 millimeters, maybe 3 for maximal minimal, 0.3 specific tolerance. You can use comparison points, same range for deviations, press anywhere where you want on CAD model. Press OK, and here we have screenshot, but we need to apply a different view. Reassign viewpoint. Just locate your picture and press reassign. Good. Hide, maybe I will use from different side points. As you see, I made it randomly, but if you make professional reports, you need to understand which point you must choose. Reassign view. Ready. Next, very cool feature here, you can make 2D compare, planar 2D compare. That's planar. You can also use rotation 2D compare and a long curve 3D compare. I just will show you planar. You can use range where you wanna make 2D cross section. can use location where you want to cut model. Also, as you see, I have that color bar. I create that color bar manually. I create it for myself for a specific project. About color, you can make color bar yourself too in color bar menu in tools, manage color bars. I use it SolidWorks standard color bar. I made it myself. Maybe I will make video how to create color bars in the future. Okay, another 2D compare, sorry. Also, you can use multiple 2D compares. Choose specific number of instances, how many planes you need to use for 2D compare, and distance between planes. Next, specify deviations. Deviation will be specified for each cross-section you made in multiple 2D compares. Very important thing for Control X is powerful computer. Good RAM, 64 gigabits, maybe 32. 64 will be better. Very powerful processor. That's from my experience, because I use it on different computers, and like when you have very hard reports, you need to wait minutes before one operation will load it. Okay, save report. Sometimes press Ctrl S, or here like diskette. And next, we already saved it. Generate report. I will not go other features. Maybe I will create time by time other videos from my channel. But now it's about 3D compare and simple review about Control X. Press generate report. You see data which you want to use, which you generated in Control X. And here you have option to add 3D PDF page. That 3D system added that option in Control X in version 2018. You don't have that in previous versions, I think, because I used the previous version and I had no possibility to add 3D PDFs. Press generate report. You need to wait a few minutes, maybe seconds, before your report will be generated. Okay, that's already generated. If you do not need any specific here you fill names, just it's all manual filling. Next you see like 3D object, standard report in Control X. Go default, press on PDF and save. That's also taking a time, and I'm stopping my video because when you have 100 pages of reports, it will take minutes for generating PDF. Alright, I think my report created. Just close this and this, save, and go to PDF. You see we have data on second page. We have other pages which we generated ourselves. And back to PDF. You need to have Acrobat Reader for opening PDF, not DigiView, not Foxy Reader. You need to have Acrobat Reader. Open your document. Next, go second page. You see 3D content has been disabled. Enable this feature if you trust this document. You need to trust always or one time. Press always, and your 3D PDF data will be active. Here you can disable. You see how many points we have. Everything generated into PDF. Scan, get data, color deviation, and picket points. I think cross section to decompress not generated. Here, just go and press 3D PMI. Hide all these points, hundreds. How many here? Hundreds. Picket points. PMI. Hide. And also, I think hide measured data. Measured, that's scan. Also reference CAD model. And you see complete deviations generated from Control X. And you can understand which deviation approximately using color bar on the right side in this page. It's approximately 3 millimeters here, not more than 1 millimeter, maybe closely something close to 1 millimeter. You can also visual analyze using scan and CAD model, or just like press remove, measure it, and very light. You see like too much model looks light, too much whitening here. In options, I think you can use different background, different lighting options, rendering style. Okay. Just close and open again. I think you can also render mode solid transparent. That's for model only. Tools, rotate pen. Okay, you see like you have many tools, measuring tools, but it's not good as in original software. Lighting scams, no lights, white lights, daylights, bright lights, night lights. Okay, you see like very different options for white. CAD optimized light, it's very bright. No lights, black. Headlamp, well, headlamp is good. It's good, yeah. I think you can press save, but no, you cannot save. Just default. So the background, you can choose different background colors. Okay, gray color is good, or background, maybe something like this, or yellow. Also, you can make different cross sections, but it's not perfect as in CAD software. 3D preferences, like it's too much options for review in one video, but that's like for simply review. You're welcome for that video. Waiting for more on my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and send me likes, comments. Thank you for watching, and bye.